So, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to customize your player. In the beginning, let's go to customization. You can edit current player or create new preset. First, you can select special skin between custom or Coach Gabi. Next, you can adjust body. You can change body type. Skin. Aging. Freckles. And skin marks. Next, you can set arm prosthetics, leg prosthetics, bench voice, and pitch. Then you can change equipment, celebrations, home and away, stadiums, or you can delete preset. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe.